Hello everybody! Today I will be showing you about the smart home wireless doorbell by SmartDude. So it has 36 chime tones. The wireless working range is up to 1000 feet or 300 meters. It should be in an open area, and if there's any obstacle between the transmitter and receiver, then it will be less. So right now I'll be showing you the box of the product. So yeah, at the back it has the working voltage, the standby current, and others of both product. And the item will be here. So I took it out so it would be easier for me to make a video out of it. So this is the instruction guide. So everything is here. So with this is the receiver. So this one turns blue when you plug it on the power outlet. So later on I will be showing it to you and make you listen the different chime tones. So this is the transmitter. So we have the 3M stick-on pad. So basically what you do is put this here and then attach it to the wall wherever you want inside your house. So or you can also use it actually anywhere outside or at the inside the room. You can also use it. I mean, if you want someone you know, instead of knocking on the door and then you just want to have some music, so you can use this. And then it's so easy to install it. In case you need to fix this, you can always use the screwdriver. So yep, so this one includes the battery. So all you have to do is open this, push this. You need to push it harder, because like for me, I have a hard time opening it, but you need 2 hands to open this. And there's a small battery that is already included, and I already attached it inside. So right now I'm gonna plug this so I can make you hear, listen the different chime tones. So there you go. So I'm gonna switch this with this. So that's the first tone. And beside here there's the volume on the left side, and on the right side there's the different tones. So there you go. So there's up and down, so you can pick which one. So this is how you're gonna set it up. You have to pick which one you like, and then once you attach it near the door and just use this, that would play the music. So if I'm gonna change it again to a different tone, we have a different tones, and okay, I'll probably let this finish first. Okay, so they have a different tones, and some of them are familiar to me and some aren't. And actually some of them I played it on a piano before, so I know. So it was nice to hear it again. So yeah, they got like 36, so that's a lot to listen to, but I'll show you a few of this. So that's one. It's a funny tone. It's an old one, but I know the music. I feel like I'm back home in the province. so I have to lower down the volume because it's too loud. So I'll probably show you everything, guys, so you know. Oh, I like this one. Where is he? I like this one too. Oh, this is a sad music. I guess I won't use this. So, okay, I was able to show every chimes. Now you know. So, if you guys, it's a great product to have, especially if you don't have a doorbell at the house. I'll probably use this at the house. We do have a doorbell, but I might change it. So, like, my husband is laughing at me, but yeah, this is great. So why not, right? So, yeah, hope you guys liked the video, and I was able to show you the things that you need to know about the product. And if you guys want to get this, you can just look for SmartDude at Amazon and look for the smart wireless doorbell SD003 Waterdrop wireless plug. So I'll probably attach it on my video, so you can just search about it. So hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you guys.